a long time ago, an era of our great grandmother. There's a controversy about how to pronounce these chips. The controversy about this is how to pronounce, is it tatus or is it tahus? But I'm going to answer that right here, right now. Ladies and gentlemen, hi. My name is Gilbert Jubes and we are back with another video. And the real answer about how to pronounce this thing, it pronounced tatus, okay? I don't care to the people who call this tahus. I'm going to say it. WL manufacturer who manufactured this thing confirmed that this pronounced tatus and not tahus. So, I don't care about your opinion. This is tatus. You do nothing about. Am I mean? I don't know. Do you still see me? I don't know. Welcome back to another video, and today you're reading the title correct. You see the thumbnail correct. I will eat every single flavor of Tatus chips in this video. And why I doing this, because I want a sponsored. Come on. WL or even Tatus. Come on. I saying the title correctly. Please sponsor me. I need money. This is the first flavor we're going to eat. This is Tatus sweet corn flavor. I don't know if you're going to see it. It's sweet corn flavor. And I'm going to say this is my favorite. What the crap? Fine, we're going to open it. I want to open this as you guys can see, but I can't. So that's a problem. Crap. So, I don't know if you guys can see it. Do I need to take the phone? God damn it. Fine. Okay. This is the Tatus. Okay. This is the chip. This is the insides of the Tatus chips. Okay. It have a lot of powder and it's sweet corn flavor, just like what I said. Now, I need to... God damn it. Do I do this? Why do I do this in my life? Why? Why? Well, I'm going to rate this kind of flavors into 3 categories. The first categories is... Damn, I forgot. The first category is it flavorful? If do I like the flavor? Second, if the flavor stays in my mouth. If it stays longer to my mouth, it's a high point. But if it's not, that's a less point. And the third is it really worth it to buy? The first flavor is sweet corn. This is the chip. I don't know if I need to eat this one chip at a time or maybe of many. Let's try that. But first, one chip. Sweet corn. Yeah. This is why this is my favorite. It's tasty. The flavor. This is like one of those flavors that I would urge to buy if I want this. I don't know if you guys can focus onto this, but this is great. what I'm talking about the sponsored tattoos, I don't want any money. I need money. I'm a human being, so I need money. But if you guys can't give me money, just give me the powder of the sweet corn. Okay, first, the flavor. 10 out of 10. We can't argue with that. Bias is bias. I don't care. This is sweet corn. This is 10 out of 10. If its flavor stays in my mouth, not kinda. It's like it's like a punch, you know. If you like getting punched in the face, like if you get punched in the face really hard, it's like it just lasts like a minute to hurt, and then for the rest of the day, that will hurt. Maybe, yeah, something like that. So the taste, the taste is 10. If it's longer in my mouth, maybe I'm going to give it a 5 because it doesn't stay. And number 3, if it's worth it buying, yes, it is. So come out of, I don't know many points. I'm going to rate this 8.5 out of 10. It's not perfect. They really need to put like more powder into this thing. And if they does, maybe this gonna be 10. Or else, Tattoos sponsored me. This is gonna be like 11 out of 10. Next flavor. Tattoos Cheddar. They make this. Which I know chips is normally produced with cheese. But not in cheddar. Maybe. I don't know. This is the second flavor. I might not remember the ratings I will give to each dish. God damn it. Okay. This is the cheddar cheese, okay? This is the insides of the cheddar cheese. Just a normal cheese. Okay? So normally when we buy a chip, we normally see like cheese flavor in every single brand. So I don't know. This is the face. If you guys can see, maybe you don't, but this is the cheddar cheese. So I'm going to try this at one chip. If I don't taste anything, I will do another one. But let's do. Just like a normal chips. Ooh! I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a lot of freaking powder. The flavor is strong. I'm going to say the flavor, let's say it 8 out of 10. If it stays longer, I'm going to say it stays longer in my mouth. Longer than the sweet corn. So I might going to give this like maybe 9. Yeah, no, you know what? 9.5. You know what? It's reasonable. It stays longer in my mouth. 9.5. If it's worth it, I'm going to say 8. Okay, I'm going to say 8. So for what kind of rating I did give this, I'm gonna give this a solid 8. Okay, 8.
Oh my god.